हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल भारत द रियल साइड। तो आज का टॉपिक है कि भारत कैसे सोने की चिड़िया बना। पुराने ज़माने में भारत को सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था, आप सबको पता ही होगा। तो इसका कारण आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताने जाता हूँ। तो बिना देर के मैं आपको सब बता दूंगा कि कैसे भारत सोने की चिड़िया बना और कैसे कैसे सोने की चिड़िया आज आज कोयले का पत्थर बन के रह गया है। तो 500 साल पहले भारत सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था। 500 साल पहले, बिफोर द अराइवल ऑफ यूरोपियंस, इंडिया was called known as the golden sparrow, but after the Europeans arrived, India's economy starts falling speedily because the main reason was the foreign invaders. Because the main reason for India's economics fall was the foreigners who reached India for trade. They came via Africa route to trade, but they looted so badly India that you can imagine that before the foreign invaders in India, mainly the Europeans, India's share in export to the international market was 33%, and now today it has reduced to 0.01%. So you can make clear this point in your mind that how India was rich and how much products they exported to other countries. So India exported mainly the indigo, cotton, spices, and malmal cloth. The malmal cloth, you will be surprised about to hear that what is malmal cloth. Malmal cloth was so thin and delicate and soft cloth that it would pass through the matchbox size box. It was so delicate and so foldable that it could pass even through a matchbox size box. It was that fine and best qualities cloth which were never found outside the world anywhere but in India. So there was high demand for malmal cloth, and everyone means the Arabs, the Europeans, and the Chinese were interested to buy that clothes and products from India. So they always had a route in the mind that they have to find India anyways for this, because these products will sell in their country and will become eventually rich by selling their products. So they have to find the route to the India anyways. So India exported all these things I told you: spices, malmal clothes, and cotton. So in return, India was getting gold in return from these products. India exported these spices and malmal cloth, and in return, India was getting gold in return. So that's why so much gold remained in India that it eventually became the golden sparrow. So everyone started calling India as a golden sparrow because so much gold was reserved in India that it was known as the golden sparrows. The Hindi we call it Sone ki Chidiya. So I hope you understand my video, and please give a like, share, and subscribe.